Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I've got the front cover on, I've got the EGR cooler on, got the exhaust pipe at the back on, I've got my cooler at the bottom there, oil cooler, is on, bottom and top gasket for the bottom plate is on as well. That's a brand new cover there as well. Just want to show you, just before I tip the actual, I usually just break the intake pipe. Have a look at the actual photo body. That's the last thing I usually do. I usually break in, take the bolt off, and then have an inspection. But this one here looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. And I thought the photo body would be clean, but look at it, it's really dirty. So this one here I have to clean, and the other side of the pipe of the photo body. Sorry, this is the photo body here. But this valve here is actually part of the photo body as well, so that has to be cleaned. So I've got to go back to cleaning before I put that on. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.